A Liam Norman healing update. It's 11:25 in the morning, and I can hear my neighbour Chanel shouting. I'm not sure Jamie's here. Maybe she's just shouting about the situation. Obviously, I've given her first name and his first name, and I don't want to harm the privacy anymore, but they've obviously harmed me. I think she has issues from our previous interactions and what I hear, and it's just horrible. I'll possibly use the food bank today, but with £3.50 I can eat, and it saves me having to go there. My heart's going again. It's just so horrible hearing the noise, and it's the first thing I wake up to, and generally the first thing I go to bed to, and I'm not sure you're going to pick up the noise on this phone because it's through the wall, but I can hear it, and it just affects my confidence, just like I just feel frozen in time. It's horrible. Yeah, thank you.